Good morning, officer. I need to report a theft.
Of course, sir. Please, can you tell me what happened?
Yes, I was at the bank yesterday afternoon, withdrawing some money. As I was leaving the bank, I realized that my wallet was missing from my pocket. It had a significant amount of cash in it, around $2,000.
I see. Did you notice anyone acting suspiciously around you at the bank?
No, not really. It was a bit crowded, but nothing out of the ordinary.
All right. Do you have any idea when or where exactly your wallet could have been taken?
I'm not entirely sure. I remember having it when I entered the bank, but after that, I must have misplaced it or someone took it from me.
Okay, I understand. Did you check with the bank staff to see if anyone turned in a lost wallet?
Yes, I did. Unfortunately, they have not received any lost wallets matching the description of mine.
All right, we will need to file a report. Can you provide me with some information about yourself and the contents of the wallet?
Sure, my name is John Smith. In the wallet, there were some credit cards, my driver's license, and the cash I mentioned earlier.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I will need you to fill out this form with all the details you have given me. Once you are done, I will process the report and give you a copy for your records.
All right, I will do that. Is there anything else I need to do?
For now, just keep an eye out for any suspicious activity on your bank accounts or credit cards. Also, if you remember anything else that might be helpful, don't hesitate to contact us.
Okay, I will. Thank you for your help, officer.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. We will do our best to investigate this matter and hopefully recover your stolen property.
Officer, do you think there's a chance the thief might try to use my credit cards or driver's license?
It's possible, Mr. Smith. That's why it's important to report the theft as soon as possible, so we can flag your cards and license in case they are used fraudulently.
That makes sense. I will keep an eye on my accounts and notify you if I notice any suspicious activity.
Great. Additionally, I recommend contacting your bank and credit card companies to inform them of the theft. They can put a hold on your accounts and issue replacements for any compromised cards.
Will do. Is there anything else I should be aware of?
Just be cautious of any unusual requests for personal information or financial transactions. Scammers sometimes target individuals who have recently reported a theft in an attempt to exploit the situation.
I will definitely keep that in mind. Thank you for the advice, officer.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. Once you have completed the report form, I will process it and provide you with a copy for your records. Is there anything else you need assistance with?
No, I think that covers everything for now. I appreciate your help.
Not a problem. If you have any further questions or if you remember any additional details about the incident, don't hesitate to contact us.
I will. Thank you again, officer.
Take care, Mr. Smith. We will do our best to investigate this matter and keep you informed of any developments.
Officer, one more thing before I go. Is there any chance surveillance cameras at the bank might have captured the theft?
That's a good point, Mr. Smith. We will definitely look into that. I will make a note to request footage from the bank's security cameras to see if we can identify any suspicious individuals.
Thank you, officer. I appreciate your thoroughness in handling this matter.
It's all part of the process, sir. We will do everything we can to assist you in resolving this situation.
I understand. Well, I will let you get to work then. Here's the completed report form.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I will take this and begin processing it right away. You should receive a copy of the report once it's finalized.
Sounds good. I will be eagerly awaiting any updates. Thank you once again for your help, officer.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. Remember, if you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us.
I will do that. Have a good day, officer.
You too, Mr. Smith. Take care.
Officer, one last thing. Is there anything I should do in terms of protecting my identity or reporting the theft to any other agencies?
Absolutely, Mr. Smith. It's crucial to take steps to protect your identity. I recommend contacting the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to place a fraud alert on your credit report. This will make it more difficult for someone to open new accounts using your information.
Thank you for the advice. I will contact them right away. Is there anything else I should do?
Additionally, you may want to consider filing a report with the Federal Trade Commission through their website or by phone. They can provide further guidance on identity theft protection and may assist in resolving any related issues.
Understood. I will make sure to do that as well. Thank you for all your help, officer.
Of course, Mr. Smith. It's our duty to assist you during this challenging time. If you have any other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us.
I appreciate it. I will keep you updated if I come across any new information.
Please do. Take care, and best of luck in resolving this matter.
Officer, one more thing before I go. Is there a way to follow up on the progress of the investigation?
Certainly, Mr. Smith. Once the report is processed, you will be assigned a case number. You can use this case number to inquire about the status of the investigation by contacting our department's non-emergency line.
That's good to know. I will make sure to do that. Is there an estimated timeline for when I might hear back?
It's difficult to provide an exact timeline as investigations can vary in complexity. However, we will do our best to keep you informed of any significant developments as they occur.
Understandable. I will be patient and await any updates. Thank you again for your assistance, officer.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. Remember, if you have any further questions or if you remember any additional details about the incident, don't hesitate to contact us.
I will do that. Have a good day, officer.
You too, Mr. Smith. Take care.
Good morning, officer. It's John Smith. I'm calling to follow up on the theft report I filed yesterday regarding my stolen wallet.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. Let me check the status of your case for you. Can you please provide me with your case number?
Yes, of course. It's case number 123456.
Thank you. Let me look that up for you. I see here that our investigation is still ongoing. We have reviewed the surveillance footage from the bank, but unfortunately, we have not been able to identify any suspects at this time.
I see. Is there anything else I can do to assist with the investigation?
At this point, we are continuing to follow up on any leads and gather any additional information that may be helpful. If you remember anything else or come across any new details, please don't hesitate to let us know.
Of course, officer. I will keep that in mind. Thank you for the update.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. We are committed to resolving this matter, and we will keep you informed of any progress.
I appreciate your efforts. Please let me know if there's anything else I can do to help.
Will do, Mr. Smith. Take care, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions or concerns.
Thank you, officer. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Smith. Have a good day.
Good afternoon, officer. This is John Smith calling again about the theft report I filed a few months ago regarding my stolen wallet.
Good afternoon, Mr. Smith. Let me pull up your case file. Ah, yes, I see your case here. How can I assist you today?
I was just wondering if there have been any updates on the investigation since we last spoke.
Let me check the latest updates for you. I apologize, Mr. Smith, but it appears that we have not had any new developments in your case. We have exhausted all leads and unfortunately have not been able to recover your stolen wallet or identify any suspects.
I see. That's disappointing. Is there anything else I can do on my end?
At this point, we encourage you to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity related to your stolen items. Additionally, if you come across any new information or leads, please don't hesitate to inform us.
Understood, officer. I appreciate your continued efforts in this matter.
It's our duty to assist you, Mr. Smith. We understand how frustrating this situation can be. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your time, officer.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any further questions or concerns. Take care.
You too, officer. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Smith. Have a good day.
Good afternoon, officer. This is John Smith calling again. I'm pleased to inform you that I've recovered my stolen wallet.
That's fantastic news, Mr. Smith. I'm glad to hear that. How did you manage to recover it?
Well, it turns out that I had misplaced it in my car and didn't realize it until I thoroughly searched the vehicle again. It must have slipped between the seats or something. I feel relieved to have found it.
I'm relieved to hear that it was not stolen after all. It's always a relief when items are found safe and sound. Thank you for letting us know about the recovery.
Of course, I wanted to inform you as soon as possible. I appreciate all the assistance and support you provided during the investigation process.
It was my pleasure to assist you, Mr. Smith. If you ever need our help in the future or have any other concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.
Absolutely, I will keep that in mind. Thank you once again, officer. Have a great day.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. Take care, and goodbye.
Goodbye, officer.